Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting without a keyboard, so first make sure the PC is awake and you're logged in. That avoids blocked input. Using your mouse or touchpad, move to the taskbar or empty desktop, then right-click. This opens context options. Once the menu appears, look for Task Manager or a Task Manager icon among system entries. If visible, you can open it directly. Doing this avoids key combos and is fast when the keyboard is unavailable or malfunctioning, giving you control immediately. If you have a touchscreen, tap and hold the taskbar to summon the same context menu. Touch gestures mimic a right-click. Once the menu is open, tap Task Manager to launch it. Alternatively, start with the screen's touch controls, then navigate to the app list or search icon and tap Task Manager. This is helpful if the taskbar option is hidden. If typing is necessary, enable the on-screen keyboard from ease of access. It allows searches and commands without a physical keyboard. For stubborn situations, open the on-screen keyboard and press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete virtually to reach the security screen and then select Task Manager. This replicates the usual shortcut without hardware keys. You can also open Task Manager from taskbar settings or by clicking hidden system tray icons if it's been moved. Once inside Task Manager, if the desktop is unresponsive, restart Explorer. EXE from processes. That often restores UI control. If that fails, reboot the machine as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.